Hello world, welcome to the 66th video on my channel where I'm building my own digital assistant named Shane, like Jarvis from the Iron Man movies and comics. Today we're going to do something a little different and explore something called YouTube SEO. SEO is search engine optimization and is how search engines find your channel or your website or your content. My channel is quite small and I've ignored SEO since I've started. So as you can see, I have about 1,240 subscribers. Views are kind of low on my videos. And so for most people, SEO drives content, not the other way around. And I despise SEO, so people will look for the most trending topics or try to catch a hold of popular topics, and their YouTubes are everywhere and it's not a single path or a single interest, but they do extremely well, and who am I to judge? But it's not something I've enjoyed. And so since I don't know much about SEO because I've atrophied on it since I don't use it, I decided to go to Fiverr and hire someone. So I went to Fiverr and I sorted by budget because that's how I roll. And I found this seller right here for $10. So you could tell English probably not their primary language. I will do best YouTube SEO to improve video ranking. Um, but whatever. Uh, so this video is not sponsored by Fiverr or the seller. This is just my own viewer. So I purchased it, and this seller, Humanitic79, was super responsive, and she delivered the very next day. I was super excited. So if this is something you're interested, I do recommend checking her out. And so what was the delivery? What did I get for $10? Basically, you give her temporary control over your YouTube, and then she changed the hashtags, adjusted my title sort of, and that was pretty much it. And then gave me some rankings and some scores of what I should do next. So let's check out what the delivery was. So the first one I asked was one video, and so this is the video that she did. It was one of my Gmail videos, and so she added all of these hashtags in here based off of her research. And then this little score on the video. So I had a high-res thumbnail. I do not have info cards. I added an end screen on this one. I shared it on Twitter. I liked it on Facebook. I added captions. I did not have a comment pinned. That's when you go to a video and there's a comment saying, hey, thanks for checking out my video. So I needed to do that. And then any comment you should be hearting. I guess that is important. So next, she took a look at my channel and gave me some of the where this video ranks in those hashtags. So it'd be nice if you were in the top 3. So that means you are the 3rd or 2nd or 11th video to show up. And then here, a score of my video that I asked her to optimize. I had a 68.7 of 100. But then I noticed it was a VidIQ SEO score. Alright, so I was like, I wonder what that is. So I went to the website, VidIQ, that's here, and I researched it. So basically, this Fiverr seller has probably a subscription to one of these VidIQ plans and optimizes a video for people. Now, I just paid $10, and the monthly subscription for VidIQ Pro is only $10. It would say $10, but I already purchased it. So I thought that was, pretty good for a Fiverr seller to sell it once. But I have 66 videos so far to include this one. So I purchased a plan. I'm going to do some research for 30 days and see how it affects my channel. And if this is something that interests you, I placed an affiliate link. So this video is also not sponsored by VidIQ because I'm a small channel. I have no sponsors. But if this is something you're interested in, I placed an affiliate link down below in the description. So make sure you check that out if this is interesting. So the ultimate goal is to automate this process with Shane, my digital assistant. So leave a comment below if you have a way that I should approach this using Python and how I can automate my YouTube SEO. So it would be nice if I make videos about Shane, and Shane also helps me make videos, and they're mutually exclusive, and my YouTube grows and I create passive income. But we'll see how that goes. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and this is what I got for $10 on Fiverr. Please remember to subscribe to the channel, like this video, and share it with your friends. Thanks. Goodbye, world.